Basically, we're taking rotations, pretending as if the undergraduate students are graduate students in psychology in a neuroscience lab. So in, 8 days, they're having this whirlwind rotation, which usually takes graduate students about a year to do their rotations and figure out where they want to stay.
This is a course that looks at food and food systems in really a broad perspective. We look at environmental impacts, we look at public health questions. We're joined by Mr. Stuart Pape, who has been working in the area of food, food law, food politics, and food policy for decades.
So the workshop focuses on the writing, reading, and discussion of self-portrait poems. But what's so fun about teaching that course, and I've been teaching a version of it, an iteration of it since the early aughts, is to watch how much technology and AI and social media and so forth has started to affect our constructs of ourselves.
We do very foundational studies of materials, traditional materials like the graphite pencil, charcoal. We are doing right now soft pastels. And so there's a lot to experiment with, to try. I get a lot of new students to drawing itself.
The J term I continue to do because I love the intensity of it. You meet every day for 5 hours a day. They're writing a poem every night, and they're writing about each other's poems every night, and so there's just this, it's boot camp for poets, it's this total immersion in the process, and they don't have the distractions of their other classes.
I try to make things a little more experimental, where it is things that they can take with them and do later, or they can continue to do, because it is impossible to become experts at drawing from 9 days.
In J term, and you can ask them about this, there's a lot more flexibility that's required that's actually more like what being a real scientist is. And so I tell them from the beginning, we're all gonna be in this lab rotation together. Any problems that I encounter with the experiments, you're also gonna encounter, and we're gonna troubleshoot and problem solve them together.
I'm very greedy. I want their attention, and in J term, I have it. The ability to really focus, to really drill down into the nuts, the bolts, the weeds of an academic question is something that J term makes possible.